Hello, Crystal here. Thank you for joining me on the Daily Diaries YouTube channel. I hope you are having a brilliant day and you're in the right place if makeup is a thing that you love, because that is what we are going to be chatting all about today. And in case you want to know, I have a background in makeup. I haven't formally worked in makeup for a few years because I kind of fell out of love with it a little bit when I was working in it every day. I worked for Inglot, Napoleon and Bobbi Brown, and yeah, just needed a break. And now that it's not my job, my love has returned. So that's very exciting. Today is a very cool day too. Now I've got half my makeup on because I was actually supposed to be going into the studio today. I work in radio and media, and then I didn't have to go, which was great because at the same time I got a message to say that I was going to be getting a parcel in the mail, and I knew it was going to be my Colourpop package. So I was like, well, hell yeah, I'm not going to put eyeshadow on or anything. I'm going to wait till my package arrives. I am currently baking a cake as well, so if a little timer goes off and that's because there's a cake in the oven, and that's not a euphemism. I'm baking a cake because it is actually my partner's birthday tomorrow. So I was like, sweet, I'll whip something up seeing as I'm at home for the afternoon. Don't get me wrong, I am not some kind of crazy baking domestic goddess. I wish I was, but I'm not. It is a gluten-free vegan packet mix. It's a mud cake, but I have added some orange essential oil to make it a choc orange mud cake. I know, basically MasterChef level right here. Okay, so anyway, back into it. The postman arrived just a little while ago and I basically tackled him. Yeah, I was that excited. I was like running to the door. I'm like, yes! And he thought it was quite funny and a little scary probably. So I now have in my hot little hands my Colourpop package. So I thought we'd do a bit of an unboxing together, and to be honest, don't know if I even remember what I bought, but if you want to know a little bit about the brand, if you haven't heard of them before, Colourpop are based in LA. They were started by Seed Beauty, I believe, and I think their biggest their biggest claim to fame, why people love them, is because they are so wallet friendly in comparison to other brands, and they supposedly have incredible pigment in their eyeshadows and in their products. So I'm really looking forward to finding out if that is true. Also, they don't test on animals, so that is an awesome thing to know. Now, it's time. Okay, I came across Colourpop just watching fellow YouTubers, and one of those ones that piqued my interest was Makeup by Trees. So yeah, big thanks to her for inspiring this purchase. Or maybe I shouldn't thank her until I've seen if I like the products. Okay, the first thing we've got here is a Colourpop Supershock shadow. Now the Supershock shadows are listed on the website as being a revolutionary cream powder eyeshadow, famous for its unique bouncy texture, delivering bold color and fine glitter in one swipe without creasing, fading, or fallout. Now those are big claims, my friends. Big claims. This particular color is hopefully supposed to be a beige tone with multi-colored glitter. So let's find out. It's so exciting. Let's get this baby open. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's the landline ringing. Do you even know anyone that has a landline anymore? I know. I'm not going to answer it because it's literally always a spam caller. Every time. It'll call and then they'll hang up. And all you hear is just the beep, beep, beep. Yeah, so I'm not falling for that anymore, scammers. I'm not getting up for you. Alrighty. Oh, this looks really pretty. So I'm hoping this will be just a bit of a topper shade. I really want to be able to wear this sort of on its own and just have it look beautiful. That's my plan. So we shall see if that's something we can achieve. Not sure how much you'll be able to see that in this light. I may need to zoom you in a little bit. Okay, so yeah, definitely a beigey color. It's got kind of bluey green reflex. Is that what it said? Oh, it said multicolored glitter. So yeah, it's definitely got some bluey green reflex going in there. Don't know about multicolored. Haven't seen any other colors yet. But maybe on the eye it will be different. Who knows? So the formula feels really soft and silky, which is nice. It'll be interesting to see how long it wears for. All right, Supershock shadow. Next up, we have got the Colourpop BFF Cream Gel Liner. I really wanted to try this in a super bright pink shade. This one here is called Jubilee. There you go. Okay, Jubilee. Let's have a crack. I'm really tall today. I'm not, but I think I was just sitting up with my back really straight. Good posture. Go me. Okay. Oh, wow. That was just a dream to put on my hand. That just glided on so smoothly and softly. Oh yeah, I'm liking that. Now, apparently you can wear these in the waterline as well. I am very sensitive. I have very sensitive eyes, so I'm not 100% sure if that will work for me, but hopefully I'll at least be able to wear it on the top line because that is a cool color. I'm very excited about that. Alrighty. Oh, I forgot I bought this. This is so cool. This is what happens when you order international, because by the time you get your package, you forgot what you ordered. Although I have to say that I did check out how long it took this package to get here, and it was only like 2 weeks. So that's actually excellent, considering the situation with Australia Post at the moment, and also considering that Pat McGrath took 2 months to get here. And they do have, I believe, free international shipping when you order $60 or more worth of products. Now, this is the Colourpop Cutie Mark, and this is absolutely of no use to me, but I just wanted it anyway because I think it's super cute. This is a love heart stamp. Aww. I really don't know if there's any way to show you what that looks like. I don't think there is, to be honest, but I can show you by putting it on my hand. Oh, cute. Oh, there you go. Yeah, useless, but it's gonna be fun when I go to a music festival again, when they start happening again. All right, now I also ordered this guy. This is the Main Squeeze Colourpop eyeshadow palette. Pretty excited to be cracking this one open. As soon as I saw it, I knew I had to have it. Let's see, this one retails for $14, or I think that's American, so a little bit more Australian, but it's still a really great price, very reasonable. So let's open this palette and see what you got inside. Why am I so bad at opening things? Probably shouldn't be doing an unboxing video if I don't know how to open a box, right? Oh well, you live and learn. Okay, we're in. Happy days. Really hope my cake's not burning right now. Sorry, tin, if it is. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so it's a plastic container. I gotta say the palettes are a little bit smaller than I thought they would be, the pans there. So we have got, up here is Home Slice. In the middle there is Juicy Fruit. Then we have Frosé. In a second row, we've got Big Gulp, Maraschino in the middle, Like It's Hot. Down the bottom, Red Bottoms, Baywatch, and Seed Money. I literally don't even know if you could see any of that because I couldn't see the camera. All right. I'm definitely going to be doing a swatching video later, but just quickly, let's chuck these. Oh, wow. That formula. Wow. So creamy. So creamy. I just chucked on the matte shade in Frosé, and it was an absolute piece of cake to get that on my hand. Cool. I'm going to be absolutely fascinated to see how they blend out. Also, I might try one of the different formulas here. So this one, Juicy Fruit. Oh my goodness. Yeah, okay. That's cool. That's kind of like a peachy, goldy color. Into that. All right. We'll play more with that in a separate video. I am going to be doing a Main Squeeze palette video. So there's something to put in the diary. All right, what else is here in my little bag of goodies? I really went hard with this order. See, when you order international, you gotta make it worth it, right? Because it's not like you can just order an international package every day because of the postage. Okay, California love. I am very much someone who loves to wear golds, coppers, bronzes, warm browns because I have hazel eyes. So those colors really make my eyes look green and really pop. So, oh, my cake. So I'm really excited to try this out. Hold that thought. I'll be back. All right, my mud cake is cooked. Isn't it cute? It's a love heart. Anyway, I'm just really proud that it's not dead or anything. So I've actually made 2 love hearts and I'm gonna smush them together with some ganache in the middle. Yay! Okay, I'll put this away and we can get back to it. Okay, where were we before we were so rudely interrupted by my fine baking skills? From a packet. That's right, California love. Okay, so this baby retails for $18 USD and she's described as a love song to the West Coast, obviously of America. So it's warm golden eyeshadow palettes to create the perfect day to night look. So there is 12 shades in the palette, metallic bronze, warm mattes, and a glitzy pop of pressed color. All right. I do actually have a bit of love for the West Coast because when I was younger, I did an exchange program and went to high school in San Diego, California. Shout out to anyone at Grossmont High School. Okay, so I also went back and worked in a backpacking hostel in San Diego, so love, love. All right, here we go. Let's open her up and see what's inside. Ooh. The inside that counts, right? Oh yeah, wow, you saw that before I did. Okay, great. There are going to be some good colors in here. I actually was thinking about getting I think it was the Big Poppy and the Little Miss Sunshine palettes or something along those lines. And I decided not to. I decided to get this one because it does actually have the yellow shade that I was after and kind of that burnt orange shade as well. So I still might get the others later depending on how I go with all these formulas, but this looks beautiful. It does have one of those chunky pressed glitters in it, which people either kind of love or hate. I'm very interested to see how this goes. I do have a Pat McGrath, the eyeshadow base that she has made specifically for her her problems. No. For her products. So I'll be interested to try it over the top of that and see if it works as a good base. But, oh, it's actually really pretty glitter, I will say. I am a girl, I do like glitter, let's be honest. I'm not sure though if this glitter is eye safe because some of their glitters are marked as not eye safe. So it's kind of up to you whether you want to take that risk or not. Leave that one with you. Okay. This palette is looking gorgeous. I will be doing a video on this one as well where I will do all of the swatches. So yeah, stick around for that one. Also, if you want to subscribe to my channel, then you will know when the video pops up. So there's an idea. All right, so that was California Love. What else is in the box? I don't know if you're having as much fun as me, but this is a good time. I wish I could just order stuff every day. Unfortunately, not loaded. Not Kim Kardashian. Okay, this one I'm super excited about. Actually, I might leave this one to the end. Little sneak peek. All right, I'm leaving that one to the end because it looks really good. All right, I also got the Garden Variety Colourpop. Okay, so this one I'm assuming is sort of more springy, light-hearted, summery vibes. I'm excited for this one too because despite the fact that it's cold and last night the wind was so crazy that it blew over one of my chairs, it's actually spring and coming into summer here in Australia. So, oh, this is beautiful. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness. I am so excited by this palette. Those colors are delightful. So plenty of beautiful pinky colors in there, some maroon plummy tones. You've got some warm browns, a gorgeous lime green, which I am so excited to dip my little finger into here. Mainly the little finger because all my other fingers are currently taken up with other swatches. Let's see. Oh, that's gonna look so pretty and iridescent on the eye. Yeah, isn't that gorgeous right there? Ah, the iridescence. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's going to be beautiful. There's some really pretty peachy colors in there too. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Which one am I going to do first? If you have an opinion on that, let me know down below. We're almost at the end, guys. Unfortunately, I wish it just could be a bottomless box. All right, so right here we have the It's All Good palette. Now, this one is obviously a larger palette and it's a tricky box. One day I will learn to open boxes. I think I'll do a course or something. Okay, this is called It's All Good and I've already got glitter on it. Story of my life. Oh wow, some gorgeous colors here. Oh, that's gonna be really pretty too. So again, with the warm tones, some quite neutral ones though as well, sort of up here in this top line. Yeah, you could either create a nice intense eye look with using the brighter pinks and purpley tones, or the darker browns, or you could keep it really soft and neutral with the pretty light peaches and pinks and golds and stuff. So I feel like there's a lot of variety in there. There is one tone in here, or maybe two, that I probably won't wear very much because they do sort of look a little bit cooler. A shade called Downtime. You can see that one down there. That's probably not really usually my jam, but we'll give it a go. That's pretty great value. This one here retails for $34 USD. And how many pans are in here? 30 pans. Alrighty, and last but definitely not least, I am so excited about this one as we go into spring and summer as well. This one is the Lush Life Palette, Zara Larsson Waterproof. That was a fun song. Okay, let's get this one out and see what we get. Okay, so we're back to being a 12 pan. Good for travel, these sizes are. Oh, this one's a paper or cardboard one as well, so that's cool. Oh my goodness. Alrighty. Oh wow, these colors are bloody delightful. Look at those. Oh my goodness. The intensity of the shades doesn't do it justice on camera because they are vibrant. They are absolutely beautifully vibrant. So there's the green from that palette, which you can see is definitely different from the green in the Garden Variety palette. So I feel like in all of these, I haven't really doubled up on many colors. So that is well done by me. I mean, honestly, a bit of a fluke, but yeah, I tried to make sure that I wasn't getting just total, you know, doubles of everything. So I guess it's playtime. Alrighty, well, please, if you liked this unboxing video, subscribe to the channel, and I would love to have you as part of the Daily Diaries crew. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and there will be a whole stack of Colourpop videos coming your way. Let me know if there's anything else from the range that you think I should be picking up and trying, because yeah, I'm excited to make this foray. All right, have a good one. I'm off to sort out my cake. Bye.